Hello my friends and welcome to Art Fashion channel. I'm Daria, the artist who paints on clothes. But in this video, let's make a break from painting on clothes because I have a very big project to do. In this video, I'm gonna paint on my living room wall. And let me give you a bit of a backstory. We recently moved into a new apartment, we bought it, so we own it now, and I've been living for 10 years in a rented apartment. So now when we finally have our own apartment, I am able to design rooms, to paint on the walls, to do whatever I want, and it's amazing. And I bought new furniture to a living room. Of course some decor is still missing, but here is my living room tour. But this wall is so empty, so boring. It just asks for an artwork. I'm very nervous right now. I'm more confident in painting on clothes, but let's do it. And I decided to paint a New York on my wall because it's one of my biggest dreams to visit New York and even live there for a while. And you know, one of the ways to make your dreams come true is to visualize them, think about them, and work hard. So I thought that maybe if I paint New York on my wall, it will be kind of a visualization board. I will see it every single day, and maybe one day I will see New York in a real life. Who knows? So as you can see, wall has two parts. And this big one, I want to paint New York on it, sky view, all these beautiful buildings. And this part of the wall, I want to write some quotes about dreams, how dreams come true. And first, I'm gonna sketch New York with pencil. Okay, sketching is finished, and don't know, can you see these lines? But it was challenging because city, a lot of straight lines, and I couldn't see clear are they straight or no, or maybe these buildings just falling down. But I guess I managed to make them straight. I don't know, I hope so. And now I'm gonna paint with colors. And I'm so excited, guys. I'm so afraid to mess it up, and it's not a t-shirt, it's a wall. But there is no way back. So these are the brushes I'm gonna use. These are the biggest brushes I have. And don't know, maybe I will need something bigger that I will have to buy. But for now I'm gonna start with these brushes. And also I think to use palette knife. Actually, I don't know how I'm gonna paint, what kind of technique I'm gonna use, style. I'm just gonna figure it out in the process. Just wish me luck. couple of thoughts in the process. I decided to go with abstract style because abstract is probably the easiest style when you need to paint so many buildings. And I'm using gray and yellow colors. Yellow I'm using as a highlight because furniture in my living room is gray and yellow. So this way wall will complement furniture, furniture will complement wall, and it will look like one design, one idea. And it's gonna take longer than I expected, but I hope the result will be beautiful. So let's continue. Painting update. I decided to buy brushes, big brushes, because I want to create such bold, beautiful brush strokes, especially here at the lower part of the wall. So let's do it. Okay guys, painting is finished. Of course I could keep working on it, keep adding details, but I don't want to make it overdone. I want to keep it abstract, you know, half dream, half reality. I want it to look something like that. So I'm not touching it anymore. And now I'm gonna write quote on this wall. I decided to write one quote which I found when I was googling quotes about dreams and dreaming. A quote which is about me and about this channel. This channel is very challenging, but I keep working on it, keep posting videos, keep chasing my dreams. So I'm gonna write quote using masthead font of New York Times newspaper. So it's gonna be very meaningful. Let's do it! Well guys, a couple of thoughts before I will show you the final result. You know, I was so terrified to paint on this wall because it is the second time in my life I paint on the wall, and I've never painted cityscapes before, especially abstract cityscapes. But sometimes you have to challenge yourself to be able to grow as an artist. Like, artists should be a brave person to succeed in art. There is no other way. And I love how it turned out. It's even more beautiful than I expected, and my living room is now my motivational room. I will remind myself here why I started this YouTube channel, what do I want from life. And if you are new here on my channel, I probably won't paint on the wall again, but if you are interested in how to turn boring clothes into pieces of art, consider subscribing to my channel. And the final result?